you can see that this previous resistance marked with this yellow line right here has become the support of the coin, and some multiple green candles has been created, taking the price towards the upside. You can see the multiple green candles right here, and these candles are actually taking the price towards this point marked at the top. So if eventually it breaks above that point, then we can see there will be a major pump. Hello viewers, and thank you for joining me in today's ApeCoin price update and technical analysis. In few minutes, I'll be giving a quick price update and analysis on the current price performance and the possible future performance of ApeCoin. So if you are interested, pay good attention to this video and watch it to the end so you won't miss any of the vital informations I have for you. For those of you who are new to this channel and are interested in contents like this, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you will always be notified each time I upload videos like this on this channel. As you can see displayed right here, I have some markings on the current chart of ApeCoin. You can see some points marked with some yellow lines. These are the markings of my previous analysis, that is my yesterday's analysis on Tuesday the 17th of October 2023. So now, in my previous analysis, I identified the chart to be a chart indicating a possible pump, and yesterday the price of ApeCoin was on $1.085, and today you can see the price currently on $1.126. So this is a good price for the coin, and you can see a good increase considering the analysis I made yesterday. Now, what we have right here is a typical display of yesterday's analysis, a typical play out of my yesterday's prediction. Now, I identified that due to the dump on the price of the coin, you can see a reversal. Now, after this dump, you can see the buyers taking charge of the market from this current position to this particular position. This is how the chart was yesterday, and I said because the buyers were able to take the price above the 200 EMA, it's a strong indication that the buyers are in charge of the market, and it could lead the price above this previous consolidation, this previous resistance, and even above this line I marked yesterday. All right, so you can see it playing out right here from $1.085. You can see the price boosting to about $1.125. You can see the massive increase, and from my prediction I said the price could break above the previous resistance, this consolidation, and I marked this particular line as the point where it could break above that consolidation, and you can actually see it playing out right here. It has already broken above that resistance, and it even got to the price of $1.136 before the pullback that brought the price to this particular region. So you can see the prediction playing out, and then I marked this second point. You can see the yellow line at the top right here. I marked this second point as the point that the coin has to break before there would be any major uptrend on the price of the coin. So today we are expecting a breakout above this line I marked right here. You can see the line. Okay, you can see the line right here. So this is the line. So today's analysis, we are hoping that it breaks above this particular line. Now, if it breaks above this particular line, then there's a high possibility, in fact an 80% possibility, that there would be a major uptrend established by the coin. And if that uptrend is being established, there's going to be a good pump on the price of the coin, and a lot of you are going to be making some profit from your investment. All right, so you can see that after this breakout of the resistance I marked yesterday, after the breakout of this resistance, the price got to 1.136, and then from 1.136 it dropped back to that resistance. all right, it dropped back to the resistance. You can see the pullback from this particular point to this particular point. So in an uptrend, like I always tell you, when a price returns to the previous resistance, there's a high possibility that that previous resistance could become the next support for the coin. And you can actually see it playing out right here. You can see that this previous resistance marked with this yellow line right here has become the support of the coin, and some multiple green candles has been created, taking the price towards the upside. You can see the multiple green candles right here, and these candles are actually taking the price towards this endpoint marked at the top. So if eventually it breaks above that point, then we can see there will be a major pump on the price of the coin. But what we have right here is a typical display of an uptrend, because this support has already been created on the resistance, and we can see the price will continue to pump from this point to break above this line and I marked. And if it breaks above this line, then this previous resistance could also become the next support, making the price to continue pumping this previous resistance right here. All right, this resistance could become the next point of support. So when there's a pullback from the break above this line, when there's a pullback from that break, it could stop on this particular support level, and then from that support level it will continue the uptrend. So this is what I can see happening on the price of ape. So for those of you who are familiar with technical analysis, if there's anything wrong with this particular analysis, if there's any opinion you have at all, feel free to drop it at the comment section below, and it will help a lot of us, including me. All right, so this is all I have today for the price of ApeCoin.